Hi everyone, this is Seki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video, we saw how to find and buy a domain name. So in this video, what I'm going to share with you is how you can get in hosting and install WordPress on your hosting. No? So let us get started. For me, I use two type of hosting companies. No, there are a lot of them outside there, but for me, if you are starting out and you're under budget, I think Cloudways is the best option because it offers you, it is cheap, it is very fast, it is a cloud. Cloud means everything is hosted in cloud, so it is easier to access, so that will make your site fast. It is very secure. Like I never had my website hacked on Cloudways, no? And cheap. You can start with $10 per month. Another thing that I like is that they don't charge you for the whole hosting. They just charge you for the fraction of the resource you need. And when your website grows, you can expand that. That flexibility I like a lot, no? And another thing that they offer you 3 days free trial. So you can try it for 3 days and without a credit card. And if you like it, you can keep using it. Another another hosting I use for my bigger site, I use WPX hosting. WPX hosting, it is a little bit expensive. They charge you $25 per month and you can just host 5. Cloudways you can host unlimited. And but I think their support it is a little bit better, and I think I like a little bit better the WPX hosting, but it is a little bit expensive. No, the 2 months on WPX hosting here you can pay for 5 months. So if you're just starting out, you're under budget. I recommend to start with Cloudways, and I'm going to leave the link, both links down in this video so that you can check out either one. So let us get started. So as I said, you got a free trial. So what you're going to do, you're just going to click here where it says start for free, and just wait a second. Then here we are going to sign up. So I'm just going to put my name, Seki Hudson, my email here. I'm going to add the password. Yeah, I'm going to put a blog. I can put anything. Performance, let's put anything. Spending 0 to 50. We're going to agree, then start for free. Never. So now they are creating my account. So when you reach at this stage, for now, just going to close this one. You are going to pick, first you're going to pick, because you're going to install WordPress, so you're going to pick the very top one, this one. It might change, now we are in 5.9, but for you are going to pick the very first option. And your application here, we say your application, you can name anything. I'm going to name it Beam. And your server, so I'm going to name it Beam. And your project, okay. And here you can pick different options. No, all these are servers that you can pick. For me, I just pick DigitalOcean, the first one. And here you see this is what I'm talking about. So depending on what you need, you can just move this around. No, so since it is a brand new website, I'm just going to first. Put this small one. Even though here say this one is for small site. We are just starting. It have a lot site traffic, so we are just going to pay $10 per month. If you want more resource, you can just remove this one, and you can pay 12. You can just remove. You can pay 22. So you can just remove the wrong one. Another thing that I like about this hosting is that they give you option to choose depending on where do you think most of your traffic will come from. You can pick. For me, I always pick San Francisco, because most of my customers um, they'll come from US. Another thing that you see here is a lunch, but it's grayed out. This is because I didn't verify the email. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to log in my email. See, activate your Cloudway account. So I'm just going to come here. I'm going to click activate, and now we activate. So what you're going to do, we are going just to go through the same procedure. And let me close this one. It is the same. So we're going through the same procedure. Come on. So we are going launch 7, going the same thing. So just pick this one, 5.9. I'm going to name it Beam. I'm going to name it Beam. The project should be Beam project, Beam P. Yeah, sound fun. I'm going to pick a DigitalOcean. I'm just going this. I'm going to scroll down here until here say $10. Location, I'm going to pick San Francisco. I'm going to click launch now. And that is it. So it will take around 7 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video and when it finish, I'll come back.
One eternity later.
So after waiting for more than 7 minutes, that seemed like 10 years. So now the server was created. You can see here, I have the server already created. No. So what you're going to do now is just I'm going to come here, West Applications. I'm going to click on application. You see, you have this Beam application. If I click here on the application, you should see this one. You should see this one. This is the website already. It is installed. No, the WordPress already installed. So now what you're going to do, if you see this is the domain name we bought, no, but it is not pointing anywhere because it is not directed toward the hosting. It's still pointing to the name chip. No? So what you're going to do, we are going to make this point to this one. So when someone, because now if someone goes to this website, but you cannot tell people, go to WordPress dash whatever dash cloudapp.com. You don't want to do that. So what you're going to do, we are going to redirect this domain name to this address. How we do that? That is very simple. You see, here, you just have to log in on Namecheap where we bought the domain name, and you are going to click on the. You see this is the domain name that we bought. So what you're going to do, we are going to click here. We say manage. Just click here. It might take a few minutes, few seconds. Then here we are going to add some things very quick. Come on, this one. Then we are going to click, make sure that there is a basic, Namecheap basic. So what we are going to do is we are going to click here, we say advanced. And what you're going to do is we are going to delete this and we are going to delete this. Now we are going to add a new record. We are going to add what we call a record. A is an alpha record. Here we're going to add at, and here we say IP address. You're going to come on your application. This one, there's a public IP address. You're just going to click this one to copy, and you are going to paste it here. And make sure that it is automatic. You don't need to know exactly what everything means. Just click save. Another thing that we are going to do, we are going to add the canonic record, the CNAME record, canonic name record. This one, we're going to www, and the target, we are going to add this, our domain name as it is. So we're going to copy this one, and we are going to add it here without the www. So just going this one, and automatic, that it here, and then save. It might take few minutes to propagate and change, but that's all you need to do. So doing that, we are going to come to our hosting. We are going to, we say domain management. So what we are going to do here, we say primary domain. We are going again to add the domain name. So just without the www, like biometricstrip.com. Then we're going to click save change. So this website, this one, it is going to point to this one. Please change, save here. It will take a few seconds. Come on now. Okay. Usually this takes a few seconds to update, maybe a minute, but not more than that. So after to finish update, you see, it's now being updated. Now we are going to install those SSL certificate. This is like, it will give you like this log, no? So we need to install the SSL icon. So what you're going to do is just going to click, we're going to install the free because they give us a free. Here you're just going to type your email, the one that you used for this hosting. So for me it was smarttips.com, and I'm going to add the domain here, the same without the www. I just like to add like this. And we are going to install the certificate, because if you do not install the certificate, Google will give a warning. No, those when someone open your blog in Chrome or in Firefox, they will see a warning that your website is not secure. So we need to secure our website. No, also this, it might take a minute or less. Now, after doing this, that is it. So we will have a WordPress installed on our blog. Just wait while it is finishing. Now you can see here it say latest encrypt certificate is so successful. So you can just make sure the auto renewal is enabled so that when it is expire, it will auto renew. And let me see, let's just go to domain management. When you open this, it should, let's see, okay. Let us open our domain name, not this one. Let's see if I open this one. If I open this one, see this one, this now it pointing to this. So now we have our domain, and you see this one now it is secure. It have this log, no? So this how you get your hosting and you install WordPress on your blog. So that is it for today's video. In the next video, we are going to make this look better and we are going to configure everything. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.